This 2026 Entegra Coach Esteem 27U is a Class C RV. It is located in Ladson, South Carolina, 29456 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Charleston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2026 Entegra Coach Esteem 27U is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.